This is AlphaFold, and yeah, that's the protein. That's the protein. So proteins look like that. Twists and turns and curls and yeah. So ito lang, at least in my experience, this is the only, in my capacity that I have used AlphaFold. So, ano na siya kasi, like I said, diba, the scientists have already, ginamit na talaga nila, and na-predict na nila. So we have an idea on what almost all known proteins in the world look like. But yeah, so parang sa ngayon ano na siya more on, for other research na siya, siguro. Like, syempre, it's important nga to know the structure. But using AlphaFold, siguro in the future, if may unknown proteins, or may unknown proteins, bakit pwede natin i-input sa AlphaFold and markers na. But right now, use na lang siya para malaman mo kung ano yung itsura ng protein na hinahanap.